Hello everybody, I have this ice shaver machine for you guys from Vevor, and I really like the way it looks. Like you guys can see, it has like a nice 90s kind of colorway, which I really like. It's got the nice like blue color, and it's very good quality, heavy and quality. Even on the side here, it's like nice metal, which is really cool. It does have the on-off button right here, and then right here you can change the setting. So if you guys want real thin ice or more chunky ice, you can set it there however you guys want. Comes out of here, and then it even has like instructions for you, if you have people over or something like that. And it does come with this, so if you guys need to drain it, you just plug it here, because this thing is heavy in quality. You don't want to be moving it around a lot, so it's nice that it has that. So very good quality. You guys just put the ice up here on top, and let's try it out. So we're gonna put this here and turn it on. So there you go. As you guys can see, I have it real thin right now. So yeah, it works super well. It's super quick. And you guys can certainly, buy your own syrups or whatever, but you can use fruit juice, really anything you want, make your own at home. So I like this a lot. It's very good quality and works really well. So if you guys are looking for something like this, definitely check it out and pick one up.